Good morning, students. Today we are going to study computer, and our today's topic is keyboard and mouse. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device used to give data and instructions to the computer. It has many keys which are used to type alphabets, numbers, and symbols. It has function keys, backspace key, a delete key. It has two numeric keys. It has four arrow keys that indicates left, right, up and down. It has enter key. It has one spacebar key. Also it has alphabets, and those alphabets are called alphabet keys. It has 26 alphabets on it. Shift keys and caps lock. And the various buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Now let's know the various types of keys. Various types of keys are: number 1, alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in number from A to Z, but they are not arranged in alphabetical order. These are used to type letters, words, and sentences. Second, we have numeric keys. Numeric keys are 10 in number from 0 to 9. These keys are placed above the alphabet keys. They are also present on the rightmost side of the keyboard, known as numeric keypad. These are used to enter numbers and perform calculations. And writing on the computer is called as typing. Next, we have function keys. Function keys are 12 in number from F1 to F12. They are placed above the numeric keys. These keys perform different functions in different applications. Arrow keys. These are 4 keys marked as left, right, up and down arrows. These are used to move the cursor on the screen. Next, we have special keys. There are some more keys on the keyboard called as special keys which perform different functions. First, we have spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. It gives blank space between the text. Caps lock key. It helps you to type the text in capital letters. Once you press this key, the caps lock light on the keyboard will turn on. Enter key. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Enter key is used to bring cursor to the next line and to send instructions to the computer. Backspace key. Backspace key helps you to delete the character lying to the left side of the cursor. Delete key. Delete key helps you to delete the character lying to the right side of the cursor. Till now we have learned about keyboard. Now we will learn about mouse. A mouse is another important input device. It looks like a real mouse. It has a long tail which is attached to the CPU. It is used to move pointer, select icons, draw pictures and drag objects. It has one left button, one right button and one scroll wheel. And an arrow which shows the position of mouse on the screen is known as a pointer. Now let's read types of mouse. First, we have a simple mouse. A mouse with a rubber ball below it is known as simple mouse. The ball moves the pointer on the screen. This type of mouse needs mouse pad to work. Second is optical mouse. Optical mouse does not have ball below it. This mouse works on light. Next, we have wireless mouse. Wireless mouse is a mouse which do not have any wire. It works like a remote. Now let's learn function of a mouse. Single click. Clicking means to press the left right button softly. It is used to select an item. Double click. To press left button twice quickly and then releasing it is known as double clicking. It is used to open an item. Scrolling. Scrolling. To scroll the wheel up or down to see the text in a file is known as scrolling. Dragging and dropping. To move an item by holding the left button of the mouse is known as dragging, and to release the button where the item is to be placed is known as dropping. No, the pad on which we move the mouse is known as mouse pad. So today we have learned about keyboard and mouse. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.